Welcome to our GVMS students teaching class, guys. I am Guruvin Mani. Now we are going to see about 12th standard English, Unit 1 Prose, Two Gentlemen of Verona. It was written by A.J. Cronin. So, now we can move on to the given story. Here is a story about love, devotion, sacrifice, sincerity, and maturity displayed by two little boys in their actions to save the life of their sister who suffers from tuberculosis of the spine. So, from the given story, there are two boys and they have one little sister. So, here what they are mentioning means the boys are showing love, anbu, devotion, bhakti, sacrifice, tyagam, sincerity. When we are taking one work to be finished, it need to be finished. Like that, they will be sincere in. So, what is meant by maturity? When we are getting the experience from doing one work, we will experience by ourselves as by through self-confidence. We need to do this. So, when we are experiencing in one way, after that only the spirit will come into our mind and it will reflect in our mind and we will think about that the day fully. So here what they had explained, there are two little boys. So they have one sister named Lucia. She was suffered from tuberculosis of the spine. So she had suffered from the type of disease named as tuberculosis. So read the story to find out how their actions give a new hope for humanity. So, while we are reading through the story, we can find out their actions, how they protect her sister from the critical condition. What is meant by hope? After the disease spread to her sister, they had hope to be succeed in a life. So, what is meant by humanity? Manidaneyam. So we are going to see about the humanity in the full story. As we drove through the foothills of the Alps, two small boys stopped us on the outskirts of Verona. So while we are driving in the foothills of Alps, who is going right? Driver and author, who is mentioned as A.J. Cronin. So, while they are traveling, they met two small boys. So, they had stopped the author on the way, on the outskirts of Verona. So, after that, they were selling wild strawberries. So, the author find out that the two boys are selling the strawberries. After that, what is given? Don't buy, warned Luigi, or cautious driver. So, there one speaker came into our story who is mentioned as Luigi, that is driver of A.J. Cronin. So, he is telling that don't buy this. It will be not healthy for us. Okay, so after that you will get much better fruit in Verona besides these boys. So what they are telling about in this line, the driver is speaking to the author, we can buy much better fruit than the boys are selling. So what he is coming to tell, the boys selling the wild strawberries are not good for our health. We can buy the fruits in Verona. Comparing to these two, that is healthy and good. In the another next line, he shrugged his shoulders to convey his disapproval of their shabby appearance. So here, the driver is explaining about the two boys' appearance. What is meant by shabby? Dirty. Shabby means dirty. Alukkupadidal. So while we are looking through the boy, his appearance was very bad. The first impression of seeing one person need to be good. So when he saw through the boy, the appearance was shabby, dirty. Okay. So in the next para, one boy had on a worn jersey and cut off khaki pants. So here they are given about two boys. So here one boy wear a jersey and cut off khaki pants. He is wearing jersey and khaki pants. The other a shortened army tunic gathered in loose fold about his skinny frame. So the other boy wear one shirt. When we are seeing, that is very dirty to look, and while we are seeing through his face is skinny frame. Okay, face cut is not good. Yet gazing at the two little figures with their brown skins, tangled hair and dark earnest eyes. So after that, we both, here what is mentioned by both the driver and author A.J. Cronin. So they are looking through the boys. So their skin was brown in color and their hair was tangled. What is handled? Tangled. Surundu kidandal. Sikkalagi vidudal. And dark earnest eyes. What is meant by earnest? We need to earn more and more money. We must not take risk. We need to earn more. We felt ourselves strangely attracted. So while we both seeing through them, we are attracted by these boys. My companion spoke to the boys, discovered that they were brothers. So here what is mentioned? I told my companion to spoke to their boys. They had spoken well. Okay. So after clarifying the doubt, I came to know the two boys were brothers. Nicola, the elder, was 13. Jacopo, who barely came up to the door handle of the car, was nearly 12. So, one boy named as Nicola, who was 13 years old. Okay, he only the elder boy, and Jacopo is his youngest brother, who was aged as 12 years old. He only standing near the handle of the car, door handle of the car. Okay. We bought their biggest basket and then set off toward town. Then what it happened? We bought their biggest basket. They bought their basket and they had moved on to town. Okay. Now we can see the next para. Next morning, coming out of our hotel, we saw our friends bent over shine boxes beside the fountain in the public square doing brisk business. So, the day had finished. After that, on the next morning, And the next morning we are seeing the same brothers when we are came outside of the hotel. So these two boys are doing some work that is mentioned as polishing the shoes. So we can see from this picture even here one person is standing. So these two brothers are polishing him shoes. We watched for a few moments. Then a straight slackened we went over. They greeted us with friendly faces. So after that, we both watched for a few moments. What are they doing? So after that, the train came to reduce. Here reduce is mentioned as slackened. What is meant by slackened? Reduced. So after the business got reduced, we went over to these boys. The two brothers greeted us with friendly face, because what is mentioned here in this line, the both boys welcomed as a warm welcome with their friendly faces, with their smiley faces. The next para, I thought you picked fruit for a living. I said, we do many things, sir. So, I thought you just selling the wild strawberries. But here you are polishing the shoes. So, I couldn't understand your based on your work. So, can you explain? So, the two brothers are saying, sir, we do so many things. Not only selling wild strawberries, we will do so many things. Nicola answered seriously. Who is Nicola? The elder brother who was 13 years old. So after that, he glanced at us hopefully. So after hearing this, they both kept hope through that two brothers. Often we show visitors through the town to Julius Tom and other places of interest. And often, not only this, we will do this job also, guiding the visitors who came through the town, who are visiting the town. We will guide the visitors to reach the suitable place, that is Julius Tom, and then for which places they are going and they had interest. So that for that place also we will guide the place and we will show the way. And then, alright, I smile. You take us along. Then after that, the author had said, I smiled. You take us along. What is mentioned as you take us along? Can you call us and show the correct place? Can you guide us? The next para, as we made the rounds, my interest was again provoked by their remarkable demeanor. So after went around with their brothers, I had found that they were earnest for earning more money. They were childish enough and in many ways quite artless. That is job. Artless means what? Job. So they were, while we are seeing, they were like childish. Okay. So Jacopo was lively as a squirrel. Nicola's smile was steady and engaging. But Nicola's brother Jacopo could not tolerate his sleepiness. But Nicola can tolerate anything, and he managed through smiling and steady engaging. In the next line, yet in both these boyish faces, there was a seriousness which was far beyond their years. So while we are seeing through that brother's face, In them eyes, one type of seriousness is coming out. So, after that, in the week which followed, we saw them frequently, for they proved extremely useful to us. So, after went around through them, we had learned many useful ways. If we wanted a pack of American cigarettes or seats for the opera or the name of good restaurant, Nicola and Jacopo relied upon to satisfy our needs. So what is given in this line? While we need to satisfy our needs through buying American cigarettes or booking the place in opera restaurant, Nicola and Jacopo will do anything to satisfy our needs. What struck one most was their willingness to work. But here what is explained? One struck and one risk for their brothers was willingness to work. When we are doing one work, we need to involve and we need to willing on doing that work. So here the both boys had willing to do their work, so they are doing and running upon and achieving. Okay. So during these summer days, under the hot sun, they shined shoes, sold fruit, hawked newspapers, conducted tourists round the town and ran errands. So during these summer days, what are the jobs undertaken by these both brothers? They both polished the shoes and they sold the wild strawberries and they sold the unsold newspapers and they guide a way to the tourists around the town. In next para, one night we came upon them in the windy and deserted square. So, one night we came on through this place. So, at that time the cloud was windy and deserted square. What is meant by deserted? வெறிச்சோடியது. Resting on the stone pavement beneath the lights. The lights alone staying place in this street. Other than that, there is no signs of anybody. Nicola sat upright, tired. A bundle of unsold newspapers lay at his feet. So, after that, Nicola got tired. But also they need to sell the unsold newspapers. So, while doing this work, they got tired. Jacopo, his head resting upon his brother's shoulder, was asleep. It was nearly midnight. So, what is Jacopo doing? Nicola can tolerate here sufferings, feelings and sleepiness, but Jacopo could not tolerate his feelings, sleepiness. So he slept on his brother's shoulder. At that time, it was midnight. Why are you out so late, Nicola? Why you so late, Nicola? Waiting for the late bus from Padua. We shall sell our papers when it comes in. So here author is raising the question to Nicola. Why are you so late? So he is explaining. I had waited for the last bus which came from Padua. And we need to sell all the newspapers what we received. Then only we will get the particular amount for selling these papers. In the next line, must you work so hard? You both look rather tired. Hereafter you should need to work. He is raising the question to Author raising the question to Nicola. You both got tired. You both were tired. Why you need to work hereafter? Don't you sleep? Like that, the author raising the question to the brothers. We are not complaining, sir. But next morning, when I went over to the fountain to have shoes shine, I said, but after that, the next morning of the day, I traveled through the fountain where I shined the shoes. Nicola, the way you and Jacopo work, you must earn quite a bit. You spend nothing on clothes. You eat little enough. So, these questions are raising by whom? The author, not the Nicola. Here we need to understand one point. Who is the speaker here? Author, A.J. Cronin. Okay? So, what he is raising the question like? You must need to earn a bit. You must need to save your money and you need to enjoy that. Enjoy your life. And you need to buy the food whatever you like and you need to eat how much you did the life, how much you like the food, that much you need to eat. But these twos are not happening in your life. When I see you have a meals, it is usually black bread and figs. Tell me, what do you do with your money? While I was seeing you both, you are eating the little food, sufficient food. Okay, right? You are not spending your earning money on clothes. While I seeing your appearance also is very bad. He is not mentioning as bad way. He is just telling. Okay. So, when we are eating also, it doesn't eat the meal. You are just eating the black bread. So, what happened to you both? Answer me. Like that way, the author raising the question to Nicola. He colored deeply under his sunburn and then grew pale. He looked to the ground. So, after that, the author was raising the questions to whom? Nicola. So, after that, you must be saving up to emigrate to America. I suggested. He looked at me sideways, spoke with an effort. So, here, the author A.J. Cronin raised one question to those two brothers. Why you are behaving like that? Why you don't need to earn a money for that? Why you are not eating a sufficient food? And why you are not spending your amount for clothes? Tell me. Like that way, the author raised the questions to author. So, sorry. The author raised the questions to Nicola. So here, what is the answer raised by Nicola means? After some days, we will be immigrate to America. That means after some days, we will shift our life to America. So I told that he looked at me sideways, spoke with an effort. So why we don't need to spend our clothes of spending the money, and while we are eating, why I need to be spent? Because after some years I will be moving on to America. Okay. So in the next para, we should greatly like to go to the States. But here, at present, we have other plans. What is Nicola is answering? We both had a great plan to visit more states. Okay. I think all you know about the states, right? So we had the plans to go to states, but now at present we have other plans to. Okay, we have other plans to do with our money, what is the earning from our work. Okay, so from this we had learned that the story of two gentlemen of Verona. Okay, so this is part 1 video. In the next video we can continue from this para. Okay, so I think you have understood this video. Thank you for watching. If you had any doubt through this lesson, surely you can comment directly in the YouTube. And if you like to teach any subject or topics related to 10th, 11th and 12th, surely I suggest you to comment in the YouTube. Okay, so thereafter we will teach the correct topic what the subscriber asked from us. So I think you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.